In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart in Lucidchart. Whether you're working on a small project or managing a big team, Gantt charts offer a visual way to clearly outline what's happening and when. Let's dive right in and see how you can create one in just a few simple steps using Lucidchart. First, you'll want to navigate to the Lucid Visual Collaboration Suite. Now this is where everything begins. Once you're on the Lucidchart login page, go ahead and enter your email address. After typing in your email, click Next to proceed. This is kind of a standard sign-in procedure that you might be familiar with if you use other online services. Once you've completed that, it's time to enter your password. Take your time to ensure it's typed correctly, then click on the Login button. This will take you right into the Lucidchart workspace where the magic starts happening. After you've logged in successfully, you will find yourself in the main dashboard where the next step is to create a new document. Spot the New button, which is your gateway to starting fresh with a new project. Give it a click and this will prompt a menu where you'll see an option for Lucidchart. Click on Lucidchart to start the process of crafting your Gantt chart. Next, you are presented with several options, but we will focus on working from a template to make our task simpler. Find Create from Template and select it. By working from a template, we're saving time and effort as the basic structure is already outlined for you. Now in the template search bar, type in Gantt chart. It's important to note that using specific keywords can make your search much more effective. Once you hit enter, a variety of templates will be available and you'll want to click on a Gantt chart template that suits your needs. This is where personal preference comes in. You might like the look of one more than the others based on your project specifics. Once you've clicked on the template you prefer, you will see an option that says Use Template. Clicking Use Template will open up a customizable Gantt chart that you can modify to reflect your project's timeline and tasks. Finally, now that you have your template open, you're set to start editing the Gantt chart to fit your project's unique requirements. You can adjust timelines, add tasks, and even assign team members to specific duties. Lucidchart provides a user-friendly interface that makes this process intuitive, allowing you to quickly customize your chart without hassle. And there you go, your Gantt chart is ready for you to use and assist in managing your project efficiently. Thanks for following along and happy charting.